Good morning, Shiva Vara Prasad.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please tell me, this is your first or second mock with me?
This is my second mock, sir.
Acha. Which date you are going to have your interview and in which venue?
On November 5th, sir, Hyderabad.
Acha, acha. It will be in November 5th in Hyderabad. Very good. Can you
Yes,
please tell me about yourself?
yes, sir. Good morning, sir, and thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is YMS Shivavara Prasad, and I am from Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh. Coming to my academic background, I have completed my MBA in the stream of finance from Maharaja College, Vijayanagaram, and I have completed my BCom from Forest Degree College, Vijayanagaram. And currently, I'm not working and preparing for the banking examinations. Coming to my work experience, I have a work experience of nearly 2 years. After my post graduation, I started my career as an associate analyst at Global Data, and I worked in the team of insurance. My part of work deals with covering the regulatory updates related to insurance, and I need to collect the updates and rewrite it in a simple and clear manner. And after working for a period of 10 months, I joined FactSet as a research analyst. There I worked in the team of equity research. I need to collect the data related to financial statements. So I need to collect the data from the financial statements and provide it in the company database. Coming to my achievements, I have received AP State Pratibha Award during my intermediate level. And I have done an internship in SBA for a period of 45 days during my MBA related to the management of credit card sales, and I have also done a project on NPS. And coming to my personal background, my father name is Ramdas. He is a contractor, and my mother name is Zaruna. She is working as assistant engineer in housing department, and we are two siblings. And my hobbies are watching to TV, listening to music. That's all about myself, sir.
Yeah, you need not tell the name of father and mother. Just tell what is the position they are occupying. That will do.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Similarly, at the end, after completing it, this is all about me. That statement is not required. Just complete and say, thank you, sir, once again. Okay.
Okay,
Smile.
sir.
That will do. Good.
Okay, sir.
So, your MBA finance.
Yes, sir.
What have you specially prepared for this interview?
Yes, sir. I I prepared for the how is the bank is performing and how Federal Bank is performing and what are its achievements recently. So I especially prepared for that, sir. How bank is performing and what are its achievements.
You can as well say like this: I prepared on banking awareness. I
Okay,
prepared for details regarding Federal Bank and also current affairs. Uh, and about my college subject, that is finance. You should tell
okay,
that first. Okay,
yes, sir.
very good. So now please tell me the regulatory authorities controlling banking, insurance, stock exchanges.
Yes, sir. The regulatory authority of the banking system in India is RBA, Reserve Bank of India. It is the Central Bank of India. And for insurance companies, it is IRDAI, and it stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. And the regulatory authority for securities market is SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India.
Good. Can you tell me the first person in all the three forums?
Yes, sir.
Uh, mm,
The the chairman of REBI is Mr. Shaktikant. The governor of RBI is Mr. Shaktikant Das, IAS, and the chairman of IRDA is Mr. Debasish Panda. And the stock exchange and for Securities Exchange Board of India, the chairman is Madhavi Puri Bach, and she is the first woman chairperson, sir.
Good. You told nicely. Now, you were telling that while working in insurance company, you were in charge of presenting the regulatory compliance details, etc., to others. So, what type of compliance instructions you were receiving from IRDAI?
Yes, sir. It's about providing the insurance services to the people, sir. So, for suppose if we have a cyclone or anything like that, if they have like the natural disasters in our country, so they will ease the norms, sir, to support the people. So they will tell that insurance company to ease the norms and to provide insurance services to the people who are affected by the natural disasters. So in that case, we will also provide the same. So government has, so the IRDA has issued these rules to the insurance company, so they need to follow that. So whenever there are slight changes within the insurance norms or the premium rates or regarding the coverage, which type of cover they will provide, like this, we will need to provide the information, sir.
Can you tell me what are the public sector general insurance companies in our country?
Yes, sir. Life Insurance Corporation.
Hmm. I asked general insurance.
uh, I have not that much idea, sir. We will cover the only the.
United India Insurance, Oriental Insurance, National Insurance, New India Assurance. Why are you
Yes,
not
sir.
remembering this? Did you not apply for national insurance job this time?
No, sir.
Oh. Did you apply for a Union Bank?
Yes, sir.
LBO. Very good. Excellent.
LPOS.
Yeah, very good. Now,
Yeah.
next point is, mm, so please tell me, um, what is Negotiable Instruments Act? Tell me some important provisions of Negotiable Instruments Act.
Yes, sir. The Negotiable Instrument Act states that it is a document in writing, which it is a document in writing which contains an unconditional order directing signed by the maker signed by the maker, and it states a specific person must pay a certain sum of money to a person on a specified date or on demand. There are negotiable instruments like DD, check, a bill of exchange, etc. So a check is a
No, DD is not mentioned in Negotiable Instruments Act. Check, Bill of Exchange, and Promissory Note.
okay, sir. I thought because while doing the Google, DD is also mentioned as the negotiable instrument, so I
Yeah,
followed
DD
that.
also is a negotiable instrument, but it is not
Okay.
ever mentioned in the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. Okay,
Okay, sir.
no problem.
Then I will follow
Now,
them. Yeah,
yeah, can you tell me what is a stale check?
yeah. The check which is not valid is called the stale check, sir, because if it passes the period of 3 months, the check will not be valid. It is the stale check.
Yeah, good. Very good. Now, what are your hobbies?
I watch movies.
Mhm. Which type of movies do you watch?
I watch all type of movies, sir. I'm a regular movie lover.
You watch Telugu movies or Tamil movies also?
Yeah, I used to watch Telugu movies, sir, but after lockdown, I'm watching all types of movies with subtitles, all South Indian languages.
Acha. Can you name a South Indian actor who has started a new political party now?
Mr. Vijay, sir, in Tamil Nadu,
Correct.
TVK
Excellent.
party.
Yeah, very good. You told right nicely. Please tell me what are the functions of RBI?
Yes, sir. So RBI is the central bank and it is the regulatory body of the Indian banking system. It has the many functions like monetary authority. So it is the RBI is the bank. RBI is the central authority to formulate the monetary policy, and it is it is its objective is to design the monetary policy in such a way that it ensures the price stability and also it promotes economic growth. And it has the authority of issue of currency. So monetary, the RBI has all the authorities to issue the currency and destroy the currency as well. So it will decide which type of currency will fit into the society. And foreign exchange management. RBI also maintains the foreign exchange reserves in order to maintain a good foreign exchange rate and also to maintain the good foreign exchange reserves to ensure a smooth foreign trade. And it also acts as a banker to the government. It performs the merchant banking functions to the state and central governments, and it also provides financial advices to the government whenever required. It also acts as a banker to bank. So all the banks functioning in the country will be under the RBI, and it provides financial assistance to this bank whenever there is required and in case of emergency. These are the main functions of RBI, sir.
Can you speak about repo rate? What is repo rate? How it is useful for economy?
Yes, sir. Repo rate is also called as policy repo rate, and the rate at which the central bank lends money to the commercial banks for short-term financial requirements. It is known as the repo rate, sir. And the current repo rate is 6.5%. So if RBI wants to decrease the money supply in the economy, it may increase the repo rate, sir, so that the funds available with the banks for the credit expansion or to provide loans to the public will be decreased. So if you want to control the money supply, the RBI will increase the repo rate. And if it want to if it wants to increase the money supply, it will decrease the repo rate. If it wants to decrease the money supply, it will increase the repo rate. It is the inversely proportional, sir, the money supply and the repo rate.
Now, your Andhra Pradesh recently elections took place, you know.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell how many ministers are there in your cabinet, roughly?
25 ministers.
Acha. Are there any deputy chief ministers or only chief minister is there?
There is one deputy chief minister, sir.
What is the name of the deputy chief minister?
He is Mr. Pawan Kalyan, sir.
Acha. Oh, he is an actor, no? He was
Yeah,
acting
yes,
in
sir.
movies. Now he has
Yes, sir.
stopped acting in movies.
No, sir. He is simultaneously acting in movies and also doing politics.
Really? Acha.
Yes, sir.
Great. Yeah. Tell me about your chief minister.
So our Chief Minister Sri Nana Chandrababu Naidu garu has won the elections in the recent state body elections, and he won the elections through an alliance with the TDP and with the Janasena Party and the national party known as BJP. And the main success between the behind these elections is the Super Six scheme, which was introduced by him. So the Super Six scheme also includes the free three gas cylinders per year and also 15,000 rupees to each child who is going to who is going to school, and 1,500 rupees monthly financial assistance to every woman in the state, and also yearly 15,000 20,000 rupees financial assistance to farmers. Uh, Yeah,
Hmm.
he promised to offer 20 lakh jobs within these 5 years, or else he will pay 3,000 rupees unemployment wage every month. So these are the schemes which are introduced by Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu. And he also recently started the free gas cylinder scheme on November 1st, sir, as a part of the Super Six schemes. It is also called as Deepam 2.0 program. It was launched recently, sir.
Do you know about the scheme adopted by central government for people aged 70 years for medical aid? What is that?
No, sir, I have no idea regarding that.
Please get to know that there is one scheme ABBH or something like that. You please get to know what is that scheme. Above 70 years, we are eligible for free medical aid up to 5 lakh rupees. All
Sure,
people
sir.
above, say, 70 years age.
Sure,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
Yeah. Next question. Um, how your experience in the previous two institutions will be, since when you are not working, for how many months you are not working?
I have resigned in last August, sir. So 3 months.
Or this August, you say not last
Yes.
August. I
Yeah, this
resigned
August.
in this year August. So last three
Yes, sir.
months you are, what was the salary you were getting there?
It's 3.4 LPS, sir.
Acha. Now your family is managing expenditure by what mean? How are you managing?
Yeah, I have my
Your
some savings, sir, and my family is also bearing my expenses.
no, no, your mother is working,
Yes, sir. My mother is working, sir.
father.
Yeah, both are working, sir.
Oh, very good. Then it is also no problem. Did you attend any other bank interviews earlier?
No, sir. This is my first interview for in regards to banking.
Supposing you join banking system, what are the challenges you think you will have to face?
The first challenge will be public interaction, sir, because my previous two jobs have no direct public interaction. So I think I need to deal with the customers. So if there are any targets, so to reach the targets, it is also a challenge as I am new to the banking system. So I think it will be a challenge for me for the selling of any products as I was new to that process. But I think my previous work experience will help me in such a way that I'm already habituated to the corporate experience, and also my communication skills are also improved after joining my first company. So I think the communication skill will help me to easily interact with the public and also to achieve the sales targets. So I think these challenges can be achieved through my work experience.
How many bank branches are there? Federal bank branches are there in Andhra Pradesh? Any idea?
In Andhra Pradesh, there are 41 branches, sir.
Acha, good. Totally, how many branches of Federal Bank are there?
There are 1,533 outlets, sir.
37.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'll check.
37. Doesn't matter. Now, please tell me who is the MD and CEO of our bank?
Mr. KVS Manian is the MD and CEO, sir, at present.
What is the total business of Federal Bank as on 30th September?
It is
That
around
is
4 point, yeah, yes, sir.
4 point.
99 lakh crores, sir.
Very good. What is the net profit for
The
the
net
quarter?
profit of the quarterly profit is 1,056 crores, sir.
What is the net worth of our bank?
The net worth of bank is around 31,000 crores, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Best wishes. Thank you. You
Thank you,
did
sir.
well. But
Thank
read
you, sir.
some current affair news also. Can you tell me some current affair regarding, um, say, whatever comes to your mind? Three current affair news.
Yes, sir. The first news is that RBI has on October 29th, it announced that it has transported 1 or 2 metric tons of gold from the Bank of England, and currently it holds 800 metric tons of gold, and 5 ton golds it holds domestically. And also coming to the second one, the statewide news, the Nara Chandrababu Naidu garu started the Deepam 2.0 scheme, under which the free gas cylinder will be provided to the public. And also, sir, the GST collections have been increased, and it has achieved the highest target in the last 6 months. It was around 1.8 lakh crores. These are the current affairs.
Very good. Thank you.
Yes.
Best wishes. You did well.
Yeah.